I never assigned this problem, but somebody asked about it. It's from the section that we skipped, section 7.3. It's a u substitution. Let u equal tangent of pi over 2 times x. Then du is secant squared of that. And then with the chain rule, the derivative of this expression is pi over 2 dx. So we have secant squared of that dx. We also have that right here, so let's solve for it. Let's multiply both sides by 2 over pi. 2 over pi du is equal to secant squared of pi x over 2 dx, which is this entire part of the radicand. So let's substitute 2 over pi du in for secant squared. There it is. And tangent cubed is u cubed. Let's bring the 2 over pi factor in front. Do that very simple power rule antiderivative. And then simplify, resubstitute the u expression in, and we're done. That's it for number 24. I'm thinking maybe somebody didn't mean to ask about that one, but somebody did, and there's a quick little explanation.